This is group synthesis, and this is our presentation on the alarm band system. Have you ever encountered the situation where your kids want to go out to play, but you are unable to supervise them?
Mommy, can I go out to play? Sorry, I'm not free to supervise you. Oh!
But those days are over with the new ABS alarm band system! The ABS system consists of three main factors. First, there will be a gantry built around the playground. Secondly, there will be an ankle band, which will be placed on the child's feet. Then there will be an alarm installed into the gantry system. This is Tom, and he wants to go to the playground to play, but his parents aren't free to supervise him. So his mom will place an ankle band on his ankle. On the ankle band, there will be a code which his mom will input into her phone using the ABS app. When Tommy, as he plays in the playground, he may wander off from the restricted zone. And when that happens, there will be an alarm that will sound. Beep, beep. There will also be a notification that will send to his mom's handphone. His mom can then rush down to the playground to ensure that he hasn't wandered off too far from the restricted zone. This is our ABS system. Think ABS, think safe.